Hi, I'm Denny Setzer, the regional manager with Hymax Couplings, a division of Mueller Water Products. I'm here today with Dan Temple, the manager of A&B Irrigation out of Rupert, Idaho. The project we're going to be talking about today is a 78-inch steel pipe above ground irrigation system that was put in by the Bureau of Reclamation in 1953. It services over 100 plus landowners and covers 15,000 plus acres in the irrigation district around Rupert, Idaho. So, Dan, with that being said, can you tell me about some of the challenges that you were facing when you wanted to replace these couplings?
Well, yeah, Denny, the problem started with several years ago with a lot of these couplings starting to seep. And these old dresser couplings, they've been on there 60 plus years. And we was looking for a solution that, that would fix our leaks, that would minimize the time it took to make a change of these couplings, reduce the manpower that we was going to have to put into it because we have a limited workforce and a short non-irrigation season window to do these. And and cost was a big factor. Believing that we would have to use some type of coupling as the dressers that had to actually slide on over the end of the pipe, as I'd mentioned, meant having to lift those pipes up, hire an expensive crane. These are 40-foot sections of the 78-inch pipe. And so we figured, just a rough estimate, it's going to take 2 to 3 months to be able to do that once we got the couplings here.
Dan, why did you and the board decide to use the Hymax Versa coupling to reconnect the pipe?
Well, I guess it was a slam dunk once we seen the coupling design and met with the Hymax folks, that because of the ease and the quickness of installing them.
Could you at this point walk us through a little bit about the installation process that you and your group used?
Once we got these old couplings off and the pipe prepped, we brought our crane truck down to the site. We had opened up one side of this Hymax Versa coupling. It has 6 bolts on each side. We'd open up one side, lift it up, let it settle down over the pipe, and then clamp it together. Then it was a matter of the district staff torquing 6 bolts on each side of the coupling, a total of 12 versus them old dresser couplings had 48 bolts. So with these Hymax and the clamp type coupling, it knocked those months into a few weeks. I'm sure that had to save us tens of thousands of dollars. It was unbelievable how simple it was. Just the other day, Denny, we had the pipes all prepped and we was able to install 14 couplings in 6 working hours. So we're just happy.
I want to thank you for joining us today and making these comments on the Hymax Versa coupling, Dan.
No, thank you, and glad to do it anytime, Denny.
And everybody, thanks for joining us today.